Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you all know, the spread of coronavirus is a monster situation to deal with. But you can still take control of your learning and keep up with classes as Guards Public Higher Secondary School has started online classes for the children. I am Ms. Zareen Azim, your mathematics teacher. Very warm welcome in class 9th A General Group. Syllabus of first term, Unit 1, Number System, Unit 2, Real Numbers and Coordinate System, Unit 3, Laws of Exponents and Logarithm, Unit 5, Ratio, Proportion, Inheritance and Partnership, Exercise number 5.1 and 5.2, Unit 8, Formulae and Factor, Exercise number 8.1 till 8.4, and last Unit 11, Practical Geometry, Construction of Triangle, 2 cases and Theorem 1, 2 and 3. Let's start chapter number 1, Number System. We have many types of number system, but in this chapter we consider only 3 types of number system, in which we have decimal system, base 5 system and base 2 system. The number system which we normally use is decimal system because its base is 10. It contains all the digits from 0 till 9. Students, do you know the introduction of this system is a matter of a chance, since there are 10 fingers in the hand, and in the olden times the people used to count with the help of their fingers. Therefore, 10 was taken as the base for counting. But the reality is that we can use any number as a base for counting. In some practical problems, the system other than the decimal system have proved to be very useful. For example, binary system, that is base 2 system and base 5 system. Let's start our discussion with base 5 system. In the system with base 5, we have only 5 digits starting from 0 till 4. Means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remember, digit 5 is not the member of this system. We can easily convert number of base 5 into number of base 10. From exercise number 1.1, question is convert the following numbers into those of decimal system. And question number 1 is 3, 2 with base 5. Remember, it is read as 3, 2 with base 5, not 32 with base 5. In order to convert this number into decimal system, write down 3, 2 with base 5 is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 exponent 1 plus 2 multiplied by 5 exponent 0. This is called the expanded form of a number involving exponents of 5. And remember, exponents should be written from right hand side starting from 0 and then 1. In next step, solve these exponents. 5 exponent 0 means 1 and 5 exponent 1 means 5. Now multiply the answers. 2 by 1 means 2 and 3 by 5 means 15. Now add 15 plus 2, which is equals to 17. It means 3, 2 with base 5 is equals to 17 in decimal system, and this is the required answer. Here is the method to convert a number of base 5 into decimal system. First, write the number in the expanded form involving powers of 5. Then, write the exponents of 5 from right hand side starting from 0 onwards. Means from right hand side start writing 0 on first 5, then 1 on second 5, 2 on third 5, like this onwards. Then solve the exponents at first, then multiply and add. By using this method, you can easily convert a number of base 5 into decimal system. One more question for your practice. Question number 2, that is 2, 0, 1 with base 5. Again, in order to convert this number into decimal system, write this number in expanded notation involving exponents of 5. Means write down 2, 0, 1 with base 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 exponent 2 plus 0 multiplied by 5 exponent 1 plus 1 multiplied by 5 exponent 0. As I have told you earlier, exponents should be written from right hand side and starting from 0. Pay attention here. First 5 carries exponent 0, second 5 exponent 1 and third 5 exponent 2. Means 0, 1, 2 starting from right hand side. Remember one more thing, any number or variable exponent 0 means 1. Means in next step, in place of 5 exponent 0, we will write 1, 5 exponent 1 equals to 5 and 5 exponent 2 means 25. 5 exponent 2 means 5 multiplied by 5. Multiplication of 5 2 times, which gives you 25. In next step, multiply the numbers 1 by 1. Yes, it is equals to 1 because 1 ones are 1. 5 multiplied by 0. Yes, it is equals to 0. Whenever 0 is multiplied by any number, answer is 0. And 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. Add these numbers, 50 plus 0, 0 plus 1, it is equals to 51. And now 2, 0, 1 with base 5 is equals to 51 in decimal system, and this is the required answer. Now we have the reverse process, conversion from decimal system to base 5 system. We have done 2 questions in which we have converted base 5 system into decimal. Now we will learn to convert a number of decimal system into the base 5 system. Exercise number 1.1 question is convert the following numbers into those of base 5 system, and question number 6 is 23. This 23 is from decimal system, and now the question is to convert this 23 into base 5 system. In order to convert 23 into base 5, divide this number by 5 because we are converting this number into base 5. Therefore, we have selected 5 as the divisor of this number. Now 23 is not exactly divisible by 5. The number lesser than 23, which is divisible by 5, is 20. Means 5 4s are 20, and write down 3 as remainder. Now tell me, can you divide 4 by 5? Yes, you cannot divide because 4 is lesser than 5. Means stop division here and write down 23 in the expanded form involving exponents of 5. Write down 23 is equals to 4 multiplied by 5 exponent 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 exponent 0. And finally the answer 23 is equals to 4, 3 with base 5. Now the method to convert a decimal number into base 5 number. Divide the given number by 5. Write the number in the expanded form of 5 and then write the answer. Question number 9, 112. Again, it is decimal number and we are going to convert this number into base 5. I have told you the method now. Tell me what you will do. Yes, you will divide this number by 5. Exactly. And why 5? Yes, because we are converting this number into base 5. Therefore, we are dividing this number with 5. Now, how will you perform this division? 112 divided by 5. Check first number, which is 1 and not divisible by 5. Take two numbers, 1, 1, 11. Tell me, 11 is divisible by 5? Yes, it is not divisible by 5. Then the number divisible by 5 and lesser than 11. Tell me, yes, it is 10. 5 2s are 10 and the remainder 1 goes to 2 as carry. 1 2, it becomes 12. Again, 12 is not divisible by 5. The number lesser than 12 and divisible by 5 is again 10. 5 2s are 10. Now tell me the remainder. Yes, now the remainder is 2 and write it down as remainder. Now 22. Can we divide 22 by 5? Yes, because it is greater than 5. Now tell me, is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is not divisible by 5. Then the number lesser than 22 and divisible by 5 is 20. 5 4s are 20. And tell me the remainder. Yes, it is 2. Write down 2 as remainder. Now, can we divide 4 by 5? Yes, think. Can we divide? No, we cannot divide it further because 4 is lesser than 5. What is the next step? Yes, recall. Write 112 in the expanded form involving exponents of 5 and then the answer. Means 112 is equals to 4, 2, 2 with base 5 and this is the required answer. Our third number system is base 2 system or binary system. The digits we have 0 and 1. Means we have only 2 digits in this system. Do you know computer language is also written in binary system, means in base 2 system. It contains only 2 digits 0 and 1. Now we will learn conversion from decimal system to binary system and from binary system to decimal system. Exercise number 1.2. Convert the following numbers into those of base 2. Question number 3 is 32. Means this 32 is from decimal system and now you are converting this number into base 2. Yes, in order to convert this number, divide it by 2. Why? We are dividing this by 2 because we are converting this number into base 2. Yes, exactly. Now 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12, or simply 2 16s are 32. Since 32 is exactly divisible by 2, we have no remainder. Write down 0 because we have divided it completely. Now for the 16, 16 divided by 2, again it is exactly divisible by 2. Write down 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. The numbers, when they are exactly divisible by the number, we normally write 0 in place of remainder. Now write down 32 in the expanded form involving exponents of 2 and then write down the answer. 32 is equals to 1 0 0 0 0 0 with base 2. It is the required answer. Look, we have converted 32 into base 2 system. Exercise number 1.2 and question is convert the following numbers into those of decimal system. Means here number of base 2 is given and you are going to convert this number into decimal system. Question number 8 is 10 10 10 with base 2. In order to convert a number of base 2 system to the number of decimal system, write down the given number in the expanded form involving exponents of 2. Means write down 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 5 plus 0 multiplied by 2 exponent 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 exponent 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 exponent 0. Pay attention here. Exponents are normally written from right hand side and starting from 0. Look, first 2 has exponent 0, then second 2 has exponent 1, third 2 has exponent 2, fourth 2 exponent 3, the next 2 exponent 4 and then next 2 exponent 5. Write down first 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. And then starting from right hand side, assign exponents from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next step is to solve exponent. Tell me 2 exponent 0. Yes, it is equals to 1. 2 exponent 1 is 2. 2 exponent 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. It is equals to 4. 2 exponent 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Means 2 exponent 3 is 8. 2 exponent 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. 2 exponent 4 means 16 and 2 exponent 5 means multiply by 2 itself. how many times? 5 times, and it is equals to 32. Next step, multiply. 1 by 0 is 0, 2 ones are 2, 4 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 16 zeros are 0, and 32 ones are 32. Add all the numbers, 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, and it is equals to 42. Means the number in base 2, which is equals to 101010 with base 2 equals to 42 in decimal system, and it is the required answer. Solution of exponents. Exponents of 2 means 2 exponent 0 is equals to 1. 2 exponent 1 is equals to 2. 2 exponent 2 is equals to 2 multiply by 2, which is equals to 4. 2 exponent 3 means 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 means multiplication of 2 3 times. It is equals to 8. Then 2 exponent 4, multiplication of 2, how many times? Yes, 4 times. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and then multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. 2 exponent 5 means multiplication of 2. How many times? Yes, 5 times, and it is equals to 32. 2 exponent 6, multiplication of 2 6 times, and it is equals to 64. Then we have exponents of 5. 5 exponent 0, 1. 5 exponent 1 is 5. 5 exponent 2 means 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 exponent 3. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. 5 exponents 4 means multiplication of 5. How many times? 4 times. It is equals to 625. 5 exponent 5. Multiplication of 5 times. It is equals to 3125. And 5 exponent 6 means multiplication of 5. How many times? 6 times. It is equals to 15,625. These are the solution of exponents. Key points. Always remember, in order to convert any system in decimal system, we multiply. Why? Because multiplication gives you a larger answer. The decimal system is the biggest system. Base 5 system and base 2 system are the smaller system. In order to convert a smaller system into a biggest system, you always multiply. But if you are going to convert decimal system in any system, means you are converting a biggest system into a smaller system. What you do? You divide, because division reduces your answer. Always remember, multiplication increases your answer and division reduces your answer. When you are going to convert base 2 system and base 5 system into a biggest system, that means you need a larger answer. You always multiply. And when you convert decimal system into base 5 or base 2, means you are converting a biggest system into a smaller one. You always divide. Review of today's lecture. In number system, we have covered 2 exercises, 1.1 and 1.2. In exercise number 1.1, conversion from decimal system to base 5 system and from base 5 to decimal. And we have covered this with examples. Next, in exercise number 1.2, we have covered conversion from decimal to binary and from binary to decimal system with examples.